Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you everything you can do with the Connect tab inside Brainloom. I'm using version 1.0.2. Let me just auto hide the bottom bar so that we have more room to work with. You can also change the background of the canvas. I like this grid style. For snapping, you can enable snap to grid or snap to nodes. You can also modify the default behavior for the color and style of nodes, connections and frames. Now let's look at the navigation. You can pan with holding spacebar and drag, or you can use the middle mouse button. But for speed, use the P key, or you can press this icon in the top bar. You can use V key for the select tool, or you can use this cursor icon. Getting lost in a big mind map? Press C to instantly center your view, or press this icon. Want to focus on one specific node? Select that node and press Z to zoom to the selection. And for the big picture, press M to toggle the minimap on and off. You can right click on the canvas and create any node, or you can use the keyboard shortcut for that. Press N to create a node. You can double click on a node to edit it, or click on this pencil icon, or just press enter. You can press T for a topic node, H for a heading node, and E for an emoji node. Press I for an image node, or L to link a node onto the canvas. To change color, you can select a node and press keys from 1 to 7 to cycle through the colors. You can do this for frames and connection too. You can press B to toggle the border style between solid and dashed. You can also do this by right clicking on a node. For topic nodes, you can press D to toggle the description visibility, or use Shift T to toggle the description visibility for every node on the canvas at once. You can also press A for text alignment. You can also press the Shift plus 1 to 6 key to change the heading node text from H1 to H6. For image nodes, you can drag and drop images onto the canvas, or you can choose from your device. You can also use internet images by pasting the URL. Press R to toggle between square and original size image. You can also press the bracket keys to send nodes to the back or bring them to the front. Select a node and press the F key. It copies the text to the flash loom. You can use Shift plus F to copy the description of the node to the flash loom. You can press Tab to jump between nodes, or press Ctrl or Command Tab to jump back. You can also do Shift plus Tab to select and jump to the next node. You can press G to group them into a frame. You can press U to ungroup them. If your frame is too big, you can press W to smart wrap it. It automatically shrinks the frame to fit the content perfectly. As I said previously, you can change the color of the frame by pressing 1 to 7 key. You can press enter or double click on the frame header to change its title. You can move the frame by dragging it from the header. If you want only the frame to move, you can hold Ctrl or Command and then drag the frame. This time, only the frame will move, not the nodes inside it. The magic happens when you connect ideas. Select two nodes and press J key to join them. Or you can hover over the edges of nodes and manually drag and connect to another node. You can select a connection and double click to add the label. or use the pencil icon to edit the label. You can change its color too, or you can change the connection style by using the toolbar or pressing Shift plus E. You can press A to toggle the arrowhead, or B to toggle between a solid line or a dotted line. And now for Smart Paste, you can copy any text and use Ctrl or Command plus keys to create any node. Like Ctrl plus N creates a node with copied text. Ctrl plus T creates a topic node with the copied text. You can select a node and press Shift plus V to change its description. You can also select a node and press Ctrl V to change its text. It can be a connection or frame too. Now for arrangement, you can select multiple nodes and use the toolbar, or you can use the shortcut keys. Ctrl Shift T for top, Ctrl Shift B for bottom, Ctrl Shift L for left, and Ctrl Shift R for right. Use Ctrl Shift M for horizontal center or Ctrl Shift U for vertical center. Use Ctrl Shift Alt H to distribute horizontally and Ctrl Shift Alt V to distribute vertically. You can also use AI to create beautiful mind maps. For export, you can right click on the canvas and select export. Give it a name, choose a folder and hit export. You can send this file to your friend or anyone. You can also export the canvas as a high quality PNG image. And if you want to export only a part of the canvas, then you can export the frame as an image. That covers the basic and power feature of Brainloom Canvas. Try using these shortcuts to speed up your workflow. Thanks for watching and happy learning.